Man accidentally shoots himself in the butt at Indiana Mall.
Oh.
There's a little theme here in Dumbass News
Boy,
today.
they got everything here.
According to a police report, the man was using a restroom at the mall and was putting his 45 caliber handgun back into his holster.
He's lucky he's got anything left down there.
Dad's going to leave a mark.
And the gun accidentally fired.
Easy access now.
Where's right Eddie ass burns?
A police report says the bullet went into his right butt and exited from his right leg.
What kind of toilet paper did you use for that?
Oh, and that left a big hole. I'm telling you,
yep.
45.
Yeah.
That's one of those that probably takes a minute before you realize the thing went off because you just can't hear anything anymore.
Yep.
It's just so loud in that bathroom.
Right.
You're like in that kind of fake, weird kind of concussion, like, woo.
Yep. Now when he poops, he wipes his leg.
On the plus side, he doesn't need a holster anymore.
No, he does
Now
not.
you can just put his
right
barrel right in
Like a
there.
hole in holster.
In addition to the self-sustained injury to his butt and his leg, the bullet also broke a piece of tile, which I'm sure the store will make him pay for.
Yes.
Definitely.